Tired of seeing suggested posts on Instagram that don't interest you? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize suggested posts on Instagram. Now let's get started. To customize your suggested posts on Instagram, scroll through your feed until you find a suggested post. These will be labeled suggested post or because you follow blank. When you find one you aren't interested in, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Not Interested. After that, you'll be presented with a couple more options. Don't suggest posts related to this user, snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days, undo hiding this post, and more options. If you tap More Options, you can select Don't Suggest Posts by this user, or This Post Made Me Uncomfortable. Based on posts you've hidden and suggestions you've told Instagram not to show, your suggested post will be better tailored to your liking. That's all it takes to customize Instagram suggested posts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.